All right. What up, y'all? It's your boy, Coach D Matthews, and we're going to get into how to set up Linktree. All right. How to set up Linktree for your business. So for me, I'm an Herbalifer. And so a lot of times when it comes to having, different links and whatnot, I notice that people get stumped if they don't have 10,000 followers on their IGs. We talking IG right now. You can't use it on Facebook as of yet unless there's some tree. Actually, you can. You can put the link to the IG, to link to the Linktree in your Facebook post. But right now, just for simplistic reasons, we're going to keep it all with IG. So never mind all these damn icons I got up here. Your boy always got a lot of stuff going on. But I'm going to show you what my Linktree looks like. So boom, there's mine right here. I paid the $6. You can do it for free. Don't pay nothing. And you can have just a limited amount of links that you want. Just the colors will be basic and you can't customize thumbnails. So I got my logo right here, which you can put your logo even on the free version. I got somebody squatting right here. This is just a stock photo that I found, and I was able to get my links inside of here. So this also is a pro feature or a paid feature, this white shadow right here. But you don't have to do that. You can just keep it, like I said, super plain Jane simple. All right, so how does this work? So what I did was, and I got a bunch of links here that aren't linked yet either. But let's take my Facebook page, right? So let's go to, let's go to win 500 challenges. And I'll show you the differences between what a standard free version will look like and the paid version will look like. So this is it right here. This is
what up, y'all? It's your boy, Coach D Matthews. So listen, the pre-sale for the meltdown midsection.
All right. So that right there is a highlight of win the $500 challenges that we have. And I kind of broke down like how easy it is, the guide that you get with it, the meal plans you get with it, the losing weight in 3 days that you get with it, the support, all that's in here. So let me show you how I did it. All right. See this right here? All you have to do, and I'll make a duplicate one, is go to add link. Right. And it's just free. So if you don't have 10,000 followers on your IG, you can still have people go to, if you got merch, if you want to highlight the challenge, if you want to highlight just a picture full of results, whatever you want to do. Okay. So I go to add link, and then right here, I want to enter the title of what it is that I have going on. So let's just say this is June is coming up, right? So June, boom, I'm just making this up, like June boom challenge. And let's say my June challenge is somewhere on one of my Facebook pages. Let's say it was on maybe not my personal page right here, but let's say that it was on my fan page. So Dino's is my fan page. I go here, I click on Dino's right there. There's a bunch of other Dino's here. That's not me though, too. It is. So this is my page right here, Dino's TV. So all I'm gonna do is, and let's say I'll make a post here, like June boom challenge. All right. So you can either do this and have a photo here. Let's just throw a photo here real quick. Let's see what I got. Don't swipe to the left on my desktop, like Drake said. I just play. All right. Okay. Let's get me. Why not? Right. So let's just say let's not. Let's do, for marketing purposes, I always say, show somebody else that you help, and not just you, right? Show somebody else that's in the field. So boom. Show somebody that you are actually out here helping other people, and it's not just about yourself. All right. So let's just say I'll put the info on here. June boom challenge. Let's just say June 5th through June 23rd, baby. We got $500 in prizes. Okay, we giving away earbuds. Okay, not earpubs. We're giving away earbuds. Spell it right, D Matthews. We're giving away earbuds. We're giving away magic carpets, like the whole nine. Now I'm just got this up here. I wouldn't leave this up here without proofreading it. I will put little icons in here, little emoticons. Like I will go here and I will go to my page, which is right here, Facebook symbols. And then I'll get like I'll play some hearts if I'm talking to ladies. If not, I'll just put a fist for guys or fire for guys or whatever. So copy, I'll go back to my post, and then I'll do Control V, boom, like Control, oh, there's the hearts too, okay. Control V, boom. All right, just to make it attractive, make it stand out, boom. As y'all get the point, boom. One more time, everybody say it with me, boom. All right, cool. So now I would say, always leave a call to action, right? So I'll say, message me for details, limited spots, because you always want to make yourself seem like, listen, I'm gonna be busy. Limited spots. Okay, you can't spell like me, no problem. They got something called spell check. Boom. All right, so that's what I would do. And then I will post this, which I'm going to delete here. Okay, and then I would do this. A couple ways you can do it. I would go, let me see. I will go to sharing. What is going on? Oh, I can't do it that way. Okay, hold on. So I can't share it this way, right? There's no, on my cell phone, I can just do the copy. I can do embed, actually. There it is. So boom, copy. Then I will go to, on the Mac, it's Control C. That's what I just did. And I will go back to my Linktree. And right here, I'll paste. On the Mac, is Control V. All right. And this little thing should turn green. Sometimes you got to wait. Sometimes you can toggle it back and forth. Okay. So it doesn't like that link, right? So you might get this. This is cool that we're doing this. So you're like, all right, cool. You don't like the embedment in here? Cool, no problem. So what we're going to do is get this bad boy out of here. And I'm going to show you a better way that you can do it. Boom. So I would say June Boom Challenge post, because what I'm going to do is just put the entire Facebook group in here, since I'm having trouble right now getting the link from the actual post. So I tried to embed this way. It didn't like it. I'm going to try this way now. I'm going to try to go to copy link address. Okay. And then I'm going to try it this way. And if this doesn't work, I'm just going to put the whole Facebook page in here. Again, I did Control C. Now I do Control V. Let's see if it likes this. If it doesn't like this, okay, I like that. All right, perfect. So let's test it out. So then we add it. All right, great. So then I'm going to go here. And then we're going to see if it opens up. And if it opens up, then we good. All right, so June Boom Challenge post, right? Boom, right there. All right, so now let me delete this because it's not a real post yet. I don't want anybody liking it just yet. Now, I would legit make a real post for this here soon because our June challenge is coming up. But so now, if you don't have a Facebook fan page, that's cool. You can even do your regular personal page. If you have a hot post, and this is all you're working with right now, is just your regular Facebook page, and you might have some posts here, you may have some captions, you may have something dope you want to put out here, do the same thing. Go show URL, click on that, and then there's your link for this. You can control, boom. You can Control V that or Control C that, and you can post that. All right, so let's go back to the Linktree. Let's take this off because this is currently live on my page right now. Somebody might see that. If you don't like the link, you can just trash it. Are you sure you want to delete this link? Yes, I do. Boom, so it's gone. All right. So that's a quick little rundown on how you can add some extra links to your business, especially like for us, where I have 2 gyms, 2 clubs, basically. I got a fan page. I have a little Zoom rundown of how to lose 311 pounds in 3 days. And I have our most famous program, our most popular program, our monthly challenges. We can win $500. So I hope that helps y'all. It's your boy, Coach D Matthews. Any questions, comments, or concerns, or your self-doubt, and slide in my DM. All right, y'all, that's it. Holla at your boy. Peace.